Picture this. You're going about your day, when suddenly, a sharp, jolting pain radiates from your lower back, coursing through your hip and down your leg. It's like an electrical shock that halts your movements and leaves you searching for relief. If this scenario sounds familiar, you might be dealing with sciatica, a common condition that can significantly impact your life. Welcome to our channel, Treatment Explainer, where we decode complex medical jargon and provide insights to help you navigate your health and well-being. In today's video, titled Unlock Your Freedom, Defeating Sciatica Pain with Exercises and Stretches, we're diving deep into the world of sciatica. We'll explore its causes, why exercise and stretches can make a world of difference, and the benefits of consulting a professional. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Join us on this journey towards better understanding, better management, and ultimately, a better life. Now, let's crack the code on sciatica and unveil the secrets to overcoming its challenges. Understanding sciatica is the first step in managing it. Sciatica isn't a condition in itself, but a symptom of an underlying issue affecting the sciatic nerve, the longest nerve in your body, running from your lower back down to your feet. When this nerve is compressed or irritated, it can cause pain, numbness, or tingling sensations that radiate along its path. Common causes of this irritation can be a herniated disc, degenerative disc disease, spinal stenosis, or spondylolisthesis. Age, obesity, a sedentary lifestyle, and professions that require heavy lifting can also increase the risk of developing sciatica. These causes might sound scary, but understanding them empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. It also provides a context for why exercise and stretching can be so beneficial for managing sciatica, which is exactly what we'll explore in our next segment. Remember, if you're suffering from persistent or severe sciatic pain, it's essential to reach out to a healthcare professional, like a doctor for sciatica near me, for proper diagnosis and treatment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable health content from Treatment Explainer. Let's dive into why exercise and stretching are not just beneficial, but crucial, in managing sciatica. While it might seem counterintuitive to move when you're in pain, regular and targeted exercise can actually reduce the intensity of sciatica pain and prevent future flare-ups. How does this work? Exercise and stretching can strengthen the muscles that support your spine, improve your flexibility, and promote better posture. All these factors can help alleviate the pressure on your sciatic nerve, reducing irritation and pain. Additionally, exercise increases the flow of nutrients and oxygen to your spinal discs, aiding in healing and reducing inflammation. It also boosts the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. It's essential, though, to focus on low-impact exercises that won't put too much stress on your sciatic nerve. These can include activities like walking, swimming, or specific yoga poses. Stretching exercises can help loosen up tight muscles and provide relief from sciatica pain. If you're wondering which exercises and stretches are suitable for you, don't worry. In the next segment, we'll guide you through some effective sitting exercises for sciatica. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, for more health-related content. Long periods of sitting can exacerbate sciatica symptoms, but paradoxically, certain sitting exercises can actually help manage and alleviate this pain. Let's explore some of these exercises. First is the seated pigeon pose. While sitting on a chair, cross your affected leg over your other leg, ankle resting on the opposite knee. Gently lean forward until you feel a stretch in your glutes. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Another useful exercise is the seated spinal stretch. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Twist your body towards the affected side, using your opposite hand on the outside of your knee for leverage. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Finally, we have the seated hamstring stretch. While seated, extend your affected leg in front of you with your heel on the floor. Keeping your back straight, lean forward until you feel a stretch in your hamstring. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Remember, while doing these exercises, it's crucial not to push yourself to the point of pain. These stretches are designed to relieve tension, not cause more discomfort. Always consult a doctor for sciatica near me, or a sciatic nerve treatment near me, before starting a new exercise regimen. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health tips from Treatment Explainer. Consulting a healthcare professional is a key part of managing and overcoming sciatica. You might be wondering, what can a doctor for sciatica near me really do? The answer is, a lot more than you might think. Firstly, they can confirm whether your pain is indeed due to sciatica or if it's stemming from another condition. This is crucial because the treatment for sciatica will be different from that for other types of back or leg pain. Once a diagnosis is confirmed, a doctor can guide you through a personalized treatment plan. This can involve a combination of self-care strategies, physical therapy, medication, and in some cases, surgery. They can also provide advice on exercises and stretches that are safe and beneficial for your specific condition. If you're experiencing severe or persistent sciatica, a doctor can perform more advanced treatments, such as steroid injections, to reduce inflammation and pain. In extreme cases, surgical options can be explored. Remember, every case of sciatica is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional. Before we move on to our next segment about finding a sciatic nerve treatment near me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening health content from Treatment Explainer. Let's now delve into the process of finding the right treatment for your sciatica. You might be asking yourself, how do I find a reliable sciatic nerve treatment near me? The answer lies in diligent research and consultation. Start with an online search to find specialists in your area. Look for healthcare providers who specialize in neurology, orthopedics, or physical therapy, as they are often well equipped to treat conditions like sciatica. Read reviews and ratings to get an idea of the experiences of other patients. Then, schedule consultations with a few potential providers. During these meetings, ask about their experience treating sciatica, their approach to treatment, and any other questions or concerns you might have. Remember that it's crucial to feel comfortable with your healthcare provider. They should listen to your concerns, answer your questions thoroughly, and work with you to create a treatment plan that suits your lifestyle and needs. Consulting with a professional doesn't mean you're committing to a specific treatment right away. It's a step towards understanding your condition better and exploring all the options available to you. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to Treatment Explainer for more guidance on managing your health. In our next video, we'll explore more health topics that matter to you. We've covered a lot in this video, from understanding sciatica and the importance of exercise and stretching, to finding the right healthcare professional. It's clear that overcoming sciatica isn't just about alleviating symptoms. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge, adopting the right habits, and seeking expert guidance. Sciatica can be disruptive and painful, but with the right strategies, it doesn't have to control your life. Remember, every step you take towards managing your sciatica is a step towards reclaiming your freedom from pain. Before we end this video, let's remember, health is a journey, and you're not alone in it. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing towards better health. Subscribe to Treatment Explainer for more health content, and don't hesitate to share our videos with those who might benefit from them. Let's conquer our health challenges together.